Let's go over how to install your DuroMax canopy on your generator.
First, grab your pre-assembled clamps and use the adjustable screw nut to tighten the clamp securely to all four sides of your generator's frame. Be sure it's snug, but avoid over-tightening. Once all clamps are installed, adjust your telescoping rods to match your generator's dimensions.
Use the easy-to-adjust guide to determine the appropriate telescoping rod placement by measuring your generator.
Now, take one frame rod and insert it into the center connector. Immediately insert the other end into the top of the corresponding telescoping rod. Repeat this step for each remaining rod, connecting one end to the centerpiece, then placing the other into the telescoping rod. Installing them one by one helps prevent bending or snapping. Make sure the center connector's pin is facing up and that the long side runs parallel with the long side of your generator frame. Next, take your GenTent Canopy and carefully place it over the frame. Grab the all-weather elastics and secure each one under the clamp, between the telescoping rod and the clamp body, on all four corners. Finally, expose the Velcro strap and install the electrical apron that covers and protects your generator's power panel from the elements. And that's it. Quick, easy, and storm ready.